My name's TJ Houston and I'm from Nova, Ohio.
Tim Houston, I'm from Ashland, Ohio.
I'm Nick Mosca from Rochester, New York.
My name is Matthew Colgrove. I'm from Galloway, Ohio.
Steve Osiki, Mars, PA.
My name's Hopeton Anderson from Rockville, Maryland.
Art Dela Cruz from Denver, Colorado.
My name is Darren Meyer and I'm from Nashville, Illinois.
Hi, I'm Michael Rogers from Seattle, Washington.
Ignacio, I go by Cheeto. I'm from San Francisco, California.
My name is Brett Bulkley. I'm from Youngstown, Ohio.
I'm Gilbert Resto from Jacksonville, Florida.
My name is Omar Masini Baghdadi. I'm from Glen Burnie, Maryland.
My name is Iris and I'm from Stafford, Virginia.
My name is Richard Leach and I'm from Hollywood, Florida.
My name is Delbert Charles. I'm from Montville, New Jersey.
Hi guys, my name is Gustavo de los Santos. I came from New York, Bronx.
So for me coming into this, I knew nothing about detailing and a little bit about business. And leaving here, it's definitely a believe it if you see it. So being hands-on and actually seeing how the car transitions from something not detailed to the finished product was really what sold me. And it's something that I now feel that I can sell to my potential customers.
They're very good, and I learned a lot for business, and me and my son are going into it, and just phenomenal. It's very good.
I think it was great. I've been detailing for about 10 or 12 years now, and after doing a lot of research and online reviews, I felt like this Detail King school would take my business and my detailing skills to the next level. And it definitely showed me a couple things here and there that I didn't know. It's definitely going to help take my business to the next level, and I would highly recommend it.
I thought it was amazing. I thought I knew a lot about detailing cars, but when you learn from the professionals, you actually realize you didn't know as much as you thought, and you learn the right way from the wrong way.
Phenomenal. By far surpassed my expectations. Being a novice, to come to this class and learn what you can really do with the right tools and the right help get you a long way.
When I thought I knew how to clean a car, no. These guys teach you the proper technique, the actual materials that you have here. I mean, it's awesome. They teach you everything you need to know, and by the time you leave out of here, you will be a perfectionist. And the great part about the training is they're very supportive after the training. You can reach out to these guys, they'll pick up the phone and help you out best as possible.
It was exciting, fun to learn. I had a great time.
Loved it. Can't wait to come back again next time. Very knowledgeable people with all the products. Any question I had, they answered to my full satisfaction.
Saturday and Sunday was very educational. Got a lot out of it. The instructors was very good. They was knowledgeable. I got taught a lot about auto detailing.
It was awesome. It was an amazing course. Very intelligent individuals, experts in their own craft, and it's good to be able to have been shown a couple of their tricks from the trade, man.
It was awesome, very informative. They teach you everything you need to know about running a business on the first day, and then on the second day, they teach you the ins and outs of detailing a car, from the extraction to the buffing, the waxing, anything you can imagine, they go over it. It's really a great class.
I think the training was real informative and hands-on, and I'm really looking forward to using it in the field that I'm getting into.
It has been a fantastic class in detailing. It's very interesting, exciting, and a very good class.
I enjoyed it a lot. I thought the business portion of the training was very helpful, and today's the practical side, so I'm getting experience I never had before.
Wonderful time. They far exceeded my expectations, and I learned a lot this weekend.
Saturday and Sunday training was excellent. I didn't expect all this. I thought it was too much information to learn, but at the end everything came clean and stuff, so this is amazing.
Saturday and Sunday training, I thought it was gonna be back, but it was great, amazing. So guys, you should come. I'm in your all's team, like you should do it.
I would absolutely recommend the training. Like I said, believe it, and then you can sell it. And for me, I believe in the training, so I definitely feel like I could sell it and share it with my friends.
I would tell everybody about it.
I would highly recommend it to anybody that's interested in opening their own detailing business or just doing their personal car.
I would most definitely recommend the training for anyone that is passionate about their own vehicle or that wants to make a little extra money on the side or make it their full-time career. I would definitely recommend this to anyone.
Highly recommend. Even if you just want to do your own vehicles, I would recommend coming just to learn. But from a business standpoint, it's rock solid and will help you succeed.
Actually, I spoke with my son yesterday during one of my breaks, and he's highly interested. He's in community college now, his first year, he's 19, and I'll be sending him here next summer.
Definitely. Felt like the instructors were knowledgeable and very helpful.
Absolutely, I would definitely recommend Detail King to someone back home.
Definitely. If you want to become an auto detailer, this is the place to be. Nick and his crew is a very good place you can come and learn everything about auto detailing. Detail King's #1.
Absolutely. Word of mouth is spread the best way, and I like to talk, so a lot of you guys will definitely be in the mix.
Yes, absolutely. There's no doubt in my mind that this is the best detailing training seminar in the whole country.
Definitely. I feel like if you are new into getting into the business, or if you already have a detailing business, this is a perfect training course for you.
Absolutely. I recommend this class to anybody because it's a very good, well organized class.
Absolutely, I would.
Most definitely, no doubt.
Oh yeah, a couple of my workers, I'm gonna have to pay for their training to come in.
Sure, for sure. I want to tell everybody that want to get on the business, because you guys are amazing.